Hi, this is James from jameshicks.net. I want to show you today a strategy that you can use to generate leads for your network marketing business using a method called content marketing. Now, this is a free strategy that you can actually start using right away. Now, I say free because it won't actually cost you much in terms of money, but it is going to take time and effort to actually implement this strategy. So if you're someone that's looking to dramatically increase the results from your business and you don't have a marketing budget, then this is something that you would want to use. As we all know in network marketing, one of the biggest problems that we face is a lack of leads and a lack of people to talk to about our business. If we don't have new leads coming in every day, then we're quickly going to run out of people to talk to about our opportunity, which means that our business is effectively dead in the water, which is obviously not a good thing. So what I want to do is run through this strategy very briefly with you. At the end of the presentation, I will invite you to attend a webinar, a pre-recorded webinar, which will show you exactly how to use this strategy for your business starting today, and also will show you another software download method that you can use to get on Google page 1 for virtually any keyword that you want. So let's just have a look at some basic principles. The first thing is that you're going to have your own website or blog in order for this strategy to work. If you don't have your own website or blog, then I would suggest that you set one up quite as soon as you can. Basically, it's very easy to do. You can use WordPress. It can literally be done with a few clicks of the mouse. It's not difficult. The other thing we want to understand is that Google and the other search engines love websites that are regularly updated with fresh content. So if your website is getting new content posted to it on a daily basis, or maybe 3 or 4 times a week, Google will crawl and visit your website a lot more often and will pay a lot more attention to your site. The other thing we need to understand is that the pages within our websites need to be optimized for the keywords that we're going for. So let's say, for example, that I wanted to target the keyword MLM leads. What I want to do is make sure that the keyword MLM leads is in the title of my page, it's in the meta description of my page, and it's also in my page content a few times. Now, what you want to be careful of here is not to keyword stuff. I'm sure some of you have heard of that term before, keyword stuffing. It's where people repeatedly put in that keyword into their content in an effort to increase their search engine rankings, when in actual fact what it does, it annoys the people that are reading your post because they're seeing the same words mentioned over and over again, and it also annoys the Google robots as well. And what you'll find is that if you do keyword stuff, your rankings will drop like a lead balloon. So be sparing, and when you write your content, make sure that it reads well to a human being, because at the end of the day, that's why we're creating this content, is for people who come to our website to read our content and to get value from it. The other thing we want to understand is that Google likes websites that have links from other websites pointing to it. These are known as backlinks. The more quality, relevant backlinks you can have, the higher the rankings will be for your website in the search engines. If you're wondering what a backlink is, have a look at my blog at jameshicks.net. I did do a video some weeks ago which explains exactly what a backlink is. Okay, so very quickly, going to run through the strategy for you. There's 5 steps to it. The first one is to create a piece of content. This can be an article or maybe a blog post. The thing here is to make sure that it offers value to your readers, so that when people read it, they get value from it, they learn from it, and that it's worth their time reading it. The second thing you want to do is to place that piece of content on your blog or website. If you're using WordPress, this is very easy to do. Literally, it's just a few clicks. The third thing you want to do is you want to create a video that promotes your piece of content that you've just written. Okay, so you could do a video, you could do a PowerPoint presentation like I'm doing right now. You could do a screen capture. You could actually have you in front of the camera talking about the subject of your article and offering value to people, and also giving people an incentive to actually click through and visit your website. Make sure that the video is informative, make sure that it offers value to people, make sure that you leave your viewer in suspense so that they will click through to your website for more information. The fourth thing we want to do is to spin our article or our original piece of content, and then we want to syndicate it to some of the popular article directories like eZine Articles, Go Articles, Articlesbase, all the big ones. So that we can get our content out to as many different places as possible, and also The other thing that's going to do is you're going to get links from these sites back to your website, which is going to make your website seem more important to Google. If you're new to article marketing, if you're new to article spinning, then the webinar that I will invite you to will show you exactly what you need to do and how to spin an article and how to syndicate your content to 200 or 300 article directories with a click of a button. The fifth thing we want to do is, when we've done that, is we want to syndicate our content to the social networks like Twitter, like Facebook, like MySpace. Again, you don't want to be spamming these networks. I see so many people just spamming the social networks, and it's very, very annoying. So you want to do it gently, and you want to do it in a way that is offering value to people. So you could say, hey, I've just written an article about how to generate leads for your MLM business. Come and take a look. I'm sure you'll get some value out of it, and it's a strategy that you can start using today. Okay, so people see that and they think, oh, that looks interesting. They'll go and check it out, and hey, they may even become your prospect. So that's the strategy in a nutshell. What I'd like to do now is to invite you to a webinar where you can actually learn how to implement this strategy on a day-to-day basis. And also there's a software download method that you can use where you can put your content into a software package which will get you on Google page 1 overnight. So what I'd like to do is, there's a link either to the left or maybe to the right of this video, depending which video site you're watching it, or if you're watching this video on my blog, there's a box at the bottom of the page where you can opt in and you can get access to this 76-minute pre-recorded webinar which will show you exactly how you can start implementing this strategy today and get massive results in your business. So I hope that was useful, guys. Take care. If you need any more information about network marketing, then check out my blog, jameshicks.net. Take care.